Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on scale drawing worksheet. So this video presents some worksheets on scale drawing, and if you're not sure what to do, we've had a lesson on this particular topic. Now on the last slide there's a direction which will tell you to click on a particular link, and if you click on that link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's quickly go through the questions. The map below has a scale of 1:10,000. Using this information, answer the given questions. Number 1. The distance on the map between Smuggler's Cove and Looter's Lookout is 9 centimetres. How far is this distance in real life? Number 2. On the map, Pirates Point and Newland are 13.5 centimetres apart. How far is this distance in real life? Number 3. If the real distance from Newland to the hideout is 1,100 metres, how far is this distance on the map? Number 4. If the real distance from Smuggler's Cove to the hideout is 1,350 metres, how far is this distance on the map? And number 5. How far is it from Pirates Point to the hideout in real life if you walk there via Newland? The next map. The scale for the above map is 1:1000. Using this scale, answer the given questions. Number 1. What is the real distance from Clear Spring to Lightning Tree if the distance on the map is 11 centimetres? Number 2. What is the real distance from Lookout Point to Boffin's Grave if the distance on the map is 16 centimetres? Number 3. If the real distance from Campfire Hollow to Treasure Chest is 105 metres, how far is this distance on the map? And number 4. If the real distance from Lookout Point to the jetty is 2,150 metres, how far is this distance on the map? So if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples.